Welcome to a new how-to video. Today's video is all about how to remove the preview from your iMessages app. So what we're going to do, we've all been in that situation where you've been amongst friends or family and you've had a message come through and you've charged them at 10 miles an hour to swipe it away, but by that time they've probably already seen the message. So to avoid that happening again in the future, you can do this one little thing and it will change your life forever. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the settings, you're going to scroll down to notifications. When you get to notifications, click on that tab and scroll through the long list that shows up until you get to your iMessages app. Clicking on that, you can then scroll down the list and click on show previews. When you get to that, you'll have three options that pop up, and those three options will be always, which is the default option, when unlocked, and never. Now, always is the default one, and that just means that whether you're on the lock screen, in the notification bar, wherever you are, you're going to see the whole preview of the message. The next one is when unlocked, so if you unlock with Touch ID or Face ID, you'll then be able to see a preview of that message in the notifications bar because you've authenticated and it knows that you're now in the device. And the last option, which is the one I have selected, this is the one obviously to keep privacy intact, will be the never option. So this just means that when you're in the lock screen or when you're in the notifications panel, you will not see any preview of that message, even when it comes through to the phone. If that's something that you want to do, just do those simple things and you will have privacy from anyone seeing your messages ever again. And if this video is helpful, guys, please do click the like button, please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.